Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of augmented reality, or AR. So, what exactly is AR? Augmented reality is an interactive experience that combines the real world with computer-generated content. This content can include visuals, sounds, and even haptic feedback, seamlessly blending digital elements into our physical surroundings. AR systems typically have three main features: combination of real and virtual worlds, real-time interaction, accurate 3D registration of virtual and real objects. But where do we encounter AR in our daily lives? AR has a wide range of applications, including social media filters, gaming navigation, education, healthcare. The future of AR is incredibly promising. With advancements in technology, we can expect even more immersive and practical applications, further blending the lines between our digital and physical worlds. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of augmented reality. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights.